Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use your phone as a gamepad for your Android TV. Now this is perfect if you don't have a Bluetooth controller or if you just want to play the games quickly without buying anything extra. So first of all, as you can see, I have this layout of the Android TV. So on your Android TV, you just have to make sure that the Android TV and your phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. In order to check that, you can go to the settings of your Android device, and there on the top, you are going to see the Wi-Fi icon. When you click on that, you will see which network you are currently using. So this particular step is very important because the phone will control the TV through the network connection. Next, on your phone, you need to install a remote gamepad application that supports Android TV control. You can open the app and it will search for your Android TV automatically. When your TV name appears, simply tap on it in order to establish the connection. Now you will see different control modes like touchpad, D-pad, and the gamepad layout. You can choose the gamepad layout so that you can get the on-screen buttons just like a real control. After that, you can open a compatible game on your Android TV. Many of the arcade games, emulators, and the casual games support the external controllers, including the virtual ones from your phone. You can use the on-screen buttons on your phone to move, jump, shoot, and control your character. You can also rotate your phone horizontally to make the controls bigger and easier to use. Now, if there is input delay, you can reduce the Wi-Fi distance or the close background applications on your phone. A strong connection gives smoother gameplay. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.